Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy bonds on Interactive Brokers. First, log into your account and navigate to the Trade menu. From there, select Bond Search to access the bond trading platform. This tool allows you to explore a vast universe of fixed-income securities. It's designed to help you find the right bonds for your investment goals efficiently and effectively, making the process straightforward. Once in the Bond Search tool, you'll see various filtering options. You can refine your search by bond type, such as corporate or municipal, and set desired maturity dates. Additionally, filter by credit rating to match your risk tolerance. You can also input a minimum yield or coupon rate to narrow down suitable options. This ensures you find bonds that align with your specific investment strategy. After identifying a bond that meets your criteria, click on it to view its detailed information. Here, you'll find specifics like the issuer, coupon rate, and maturity date. To place an order, enter the quantity of bonds you want to buy. You can then select your order type, such as a limit order, and specify your desired price. Review all details carefully before proceeding. Before finalizing, a confirmation screen will display all your order details. Double-check the bond, quantity, and price to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, your order will be submitted to the market for execution. You can then track the status of your order and manage your bond holdings directly within your Interactive Brokers portfolio. It's a simple process to build your fixed-income portfolio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.